I think they are really cute, really nice. This is a very good budget friendly option for you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So people who came from my previous video, that is this one, I'll link it in the eye, they know that it is 2:21 midnight and I'm shooting. So if you want to know why I'm doing this, go and check that video. So in this one I'm going to talk about some new launches that the brands were very generous and kind to send to me, and I want to share it with you guys. As the new rule, some of these products are going to go in the giveaway and I'm going to choose anonymously, and this is not a giveaway announcement. As I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I am very disappointed with people coming at me or any other influencer for not choosing them for as the giveaway winner. So what I have decided is obviously I know who is my regular audience and who comment, who likes and who is in touch with me, and I just want to give them the product. So I do keep a track of that, and one day I will just randomly DM you on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, the link is down in the description box below. So one day I'll just randomly follow you on Instagram and just ask you for your address and send you a lot of stuff. So yes, with that, let's get started. So firstly, I have a few products from Cosmrtics, and if you are seeing this base, I have used the BB creams. They're incredible and I will link it down in the description box below. And if you want to know the review and all, check the previous video again. So yes, I love these and these are so good. Then comes a few other products that they have sent. So this one is the All I Need makeup kit, and let's try this out. Okay, so I have applied this on the side of my face. So I have this shade with me, which is All I Need makeup kit 02, but I would suggest you go for 01. I'll link that down below. The colors are better. So this contour or bronzer comes off really reddish on my face. So but the blush is really pretty, and I haven't tried the highlighter, which I will, but I will definitely link the other one. It is more brown toned and I'm sure that will look phenomenal. I want to apply this highlighter and see how it is. Wow, it's good. It is actually really stunning. I love the blush. It's really nice. You see the pink? This is really good. I like it. I do not like the bronzer, to be very honest. This comes off to be very red. You can see it's orange. It's very no. Also, I don't have any of my brushes, so I'm using this puff, which works perfectly well with all the powder products too, as well as with cream products. I'll link this down in the description box below. This is actually a magic product. So yeah, I like the palette, but I do not like the bronzing shade. I'll just highlight my nose with this beautiful highlighter. Oh my god, so good. Really nice. This is a very good budget friendly option for you guys. This palette is a mixture of eyeshadows and face palette basically. So these are the shades of the eyeshadows. As you can see, they are very pigmented, and wow, that matte was really good. Beautiful eyeshadows. Very good. I loved it. Also, I have this beautiful box of lip balms from Dot&Key. Let's try one out. I want to try their Watermelon Rush. They retail for 249 rupees only. Love the packaging. Definitely it is a ripoff of Glossier products, but let's see. Oh, it is pigmented. It actually smells like strawberries. Watermelon, sorry. It smells like watermelons and I love it. This is so pretty. I did not expect this, and this is the first time I'm using it. It's really pretty. I love the color. I'm pretty sure it leaves a stain. Yeah, it does leave a stain. I love lip balms that leave stains. Next up is this palette. This is the Mars Mesmerize palette. I really like this one. I've used this in a very recent tutorial of mine. You can go on my Instagram and check it out. Very beautiful palette. So these are the swatches of some of the shades. I love the quality. Very good and very pocket friendly. And if your budget is a little higher, like 600 rupees, you can get this palette. I'll just remove this one. This is the, what is it called? This is the Jashne Shringar palette from Mars again. And guys, I'm not kidding, this is one of the best palettes in the market. Do you see the color range here? It is insane. Buttery soft, this is a matte, these two are metallics, and I love this palette. Honestly, if you want to gift yourself something this Diwali and your budget is a little low, get this palette. This would not disappoint you. It actually performs like a very high-end, not high-end, but an expensive palette would. Next is a new launch from Just Herbs, and I really liked this color. And I used it underneath, like I used this with this makeup look, and I absolutely loved this. Such a good color. This is going to be my new favorite for the winters. Last launches are from Just Herbs itself. So these are their new lid sticks, and I think they are really cute. So they are in the shape of these basically mini lipsticks. This cute, and they are very easy to use. I'll just use one and show it to you. They're so good for, you know, to carry around on your purse, and you don't need a brush or anything to blend it. This is more of a matte brown shade, I think, which is brilliant because you can literally make a transition shade out of it. I also want to use this metallic one to see how this one performs, and I will apply it on the center of my eyelids. That it's really good. I love this. Well done, Just Herbs. I really like this. I have two of these, and you know what? This is a really innovative product, and I want you guys to try one. So from this video, for the giveaway, I'm going to keep this one. And the whole bunch of 8 shadow sticks come for rupees 645. Next new launch again from Just Herbs is launching a lot of products, by the way. So yes, they have launched these eye pencils, and guys, these are so pigmented. Can you see? Literally, these are one swipe, and they have all these beautiful colors. I really like this electric blue and this green. I'll just give you guys a closer look at it. They are really good and pigmented. Also, they come with their own sharpeners, which is a great thing. I have all the new launches and new launched eye pencils again. These are the Ink Artist Gel Kajals from K-Beauty. I have all the shades. So for the K-Beauty ones, I am actually not going to show and swatch them right now. I am going to make a separate video on them on Instagram, so you can go and check this out. By the way, I stop looking at these, and these are actually smudge proof. Honestly guys, for the eye pencil, I do not need so much, but these are eye pencils and I swatch them, so I cannot give them to you, sadly, because you know, I don't want any contamination to happen and you guys to get sick or infected by it. But yeah, from this video, this goes to the giveaway. Thank you for watching. I know this was a very messy video, but this is the last video that I'm posting this month, and the next month you are actually going to get a new setup, a very nice setup, lighting, sound, everything would be perfect. I just pray that it is, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for supporting me. I really can't thank you enough for hanging on to this, and for all of you who support me, and I can do what I do because of you. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, and yeah, bye.